Do you want to learn how to develop your own Gradle plugin? This video will go over the sample plugin that you will learn to author in this official Gradle training course. In this training, we'll be building a plugin called Coverage Lock. The purpose of this plugin is to help increase a project's code coverage over time. Say a project has 40% code coverage and we want to increase it to 80%. We can add configuration for the plugin that sets the goal to be 80%, represented by a decimal of 0.8. The plugin will store the current configuration in a file which is checked into version control along with the sources and build configuration. Each time the build runs on a CI machine, a task called lockCoverage gains that is provided by the plugin can be run. If it's the first time the task is being run, it'll create the coverage file with the current coverage value in it. The task will ensure the coverage does not fall below this value. If it does drop, let's demo this by commenting out a test. You can see it fails with a message indicating that the coverage dropped. The new coverage of 0% is less than the recorded coverage of 40%. If the new coverage increases, which we can demo by adding tests, it will update the value in the file to the new coverage value. You can see it says that the coverage has increased from the recorded value of 40% to 60%, and it's now put the new value in the file. Therefore, it has locked in the coverage gain and prevents further builds from having a value below this new coverage value of 60%. It will keep locking in gains till the value of 80% is reached, after which it will no longer update the file, just enforce the 80% coverage. In the next few chapters, we will implement this plugin from scratch.